So yeah, this is the room, though it's kind of untidy, but yeah, it's a good room. You get this seat, and from the seat we have a KFC. Oh my God, we are so rough. Yeah, and yeah, there it is. There's a mirror. We have bags over there, and with the two beds here. Two beds here, and also we have a TV. Of course, we have connected the PlayStation. Okay, there's these cupboards, whereby the cupboards are actually filled with the safe. Yeah, there's a safe. If you're really interested, it's open. But if you're really interested, you can just use that. And then also we have a fridge. Of course, the fridge has got things in its own always. It has fruits and it has sodas. Then there are tickets. Then yeah, they have water. We took this big water. And there's a TV. Okay, we connected to our PlayStation here. There. Yeah, our room is kind of untidy, but that's the room. And also you have this room, and this another mirror, and there's this place here whereby you can wash your face and stuff. The dustbin is here. Yeah, and then also we have this washroom is here. Washroom here. Oh, sorry, and then the towels. The washroom, and then the bathroom also is a showering case. It's hot water and cold water. Yeah, that's how it is. And then also we have the balcony, which is actually outside here. You can go on the balcony. Yeah, and this is how it is outside. Yeah, these are the apartments. You're able to see the cars and stuff. Kind of busy. There. Yeah, and that's how it is. That's a hospital. A very huge hospital. Yeah, cars parked there and all that stuff. You always see big good cars here. You don't see fancy bad cars. Only good cars here. Yeah, that's it, guys, and that's how the room is. The prices for this place here, I'll check out, and then I'll keep the link on the description. And it's called Soi Sukhumvit. There's also microwave. You get this tea and stuff. Yeah. So it's called Soi Sukhum. It has a free Wi-Fi. That's a good thing. Free Wi-Fi. Yeah, it has a free Wi-Fi. And what else? Like what is consequently coming up? Yeah, one of the other things that I really need you guys to note down is this thing here, which was actually a problem to me. The sockets. So if you come and check here, see this one here. It's this kind of socket. This can do, and this can do, but let me show you what cannot do. Let me show you what can't happen. What can't happen is what the problem I was facing is the UK kind. I think this is UK. I'm not sure though. This kind of stuff and this one here. You can see it. They're the ones that have also have to go and buy this one here because you may be able to connect. That's why we have this whatsoever 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that was the problem, so now it's solved, but that was a big issue. Yeah, so that's it for the room tour and all the stuffs that you're getting. I want to give the prices of the things just on and there's free breakfast. I forgot to mention. Yeah, there is free breakfast, so I'll be telling you, like the breakfast I'll have to explain it every single day and show you what I ate for the breakfast, what I chose. Yeah, that's it. The room tour for today, and yeah, see you around.